Hello students, good morning. How are you? Today I am going to teach you chapter 3 in class 7, The Open Window, written by Saki. Saki the word. Now it is the short form of writer, authors. We know him as H.S. Munro. He was born in 1896 in British Burma. He has started his career as a journalist and he has done so many work in Britain, and later he has written so many books, so many story. One of them it is The Open Window, another I am telling you the complete short stories, the third one Beast and Super Beast, and The Unbearable Bassingham. So these were some name of novel which is written by H.S. Munro Saki, and again I am moving towards summary. Before starting summary, I will introduce some characters in this chapter. There are mainly three characters. First one Frampton, Frampton Nuttall, Vera, and third one Stapleton. Frampton. First we will discuss about the Frampton. He is a boy and he is suffering from nervousness mind, and he goes to village. He want to visit in a village so that he can survive over there. He can get rest of his mind. Next character Veera. Veera now she is a girl and she met him in the village only, where she has done discussion with him and she told each and everything the conditions about village. Third one Stapleton. Stapleton now she is aunt of Veera, and now she told about her husband, her brothers, whatever the incident, it has happened before 3 years. So it is a very interesting story, and let us start summary of the chapter. The summary, it start from here. Frampton Nuttall, he was suffering from nervousness of mind. That's why his sister has advised that he should be go in village. He should be visit in village so that he can take rest of his mind. Actually, his sister is not here, and he has taken one letter which is written by his sister, because Frampton Nuttall, he didn't know about anything. He doesn't know about any person in the village, but he knew one thing which is introduced by his sister. Uh, his sister. So he goes to village, and sudden he calls a family. Veera, Veera, she is a girl. She was over there. She called him, and she was doing discussion with him. She was telling each and everything, and sudden the Frampton he has seen the large glass window. It is opened over there, and his eyes it is straight over there. He is looking by the glass window. It is opened. Then Veera, she is telling everything. She is asking her his introduction. She wants also know something about him. So the discussion it was going on, and she is telling that her aunt now she is coming. She will take a few time. So later, after some time, her aunt, Veera aunt, now she comes over there and she says sorry for that because she is coming too late and he has to be wait her. So what we have seen over there, the windows now it is broken. So now the story, real story it is begins from here. Stapleton, now the Veera aunts, now she started the story and she is telling them on this day before 3 years ago, her husband and two brothers, now they went to the forest by hunt the deer and other animals, but they never come. Why they never come? Because they have been captured by spongy ground fields, and still their body is not recovered. It means they have lost. They have lost their body. So it is the indications of in behalf of Stapleton. She is telling that her husband now she has disappeared. Her two brothers now they have disappeared. So this is the common things, and I mean that it is too complicated and difficult situation for her that she has lost two things, husband and brother and sister. And she was telling that one day her husband and two brothers they went by this window which is broken, and since then they never returned back. And since then the windows now it is opened dusk to dawn, means morning to evening, till evening. Even she is talking about it is opened in month of October also. So sudden the matters it was going, they were doing discussion. So later Stapleton now she is looking over there the three figures, and Frampton Nuttall he is also looking the three figures. Now they were coming by the windows, and Stapleton now she is looking their dog, husband, and two brothers. Now they are coming. After seeing this condition, Frampton now he moved from the house because he was fearing. So on that point, on that day, Veera now she told her aunt, see he was fearing, and he was talking about himself, he was talking about his disease only. He didn't care about my conditions. And Stapleton she is telling same thing. She is telling that Frampton he is not listening anything. So the story that is clear. Stapleton now she has lost her brother, her two brothers, and her husband when they go for hunt, and since then they never return. And when they have gone before 3 years from the starting of the story, they never come, they never return, because they have been swallowed by spongy field, means muddy field. And since then Veera and Stapleton now they were waiting for their husband and brothers. So it is two interesting chapters. So it was some information about chapter. We have discussed about the characters Frampton, Nuttall, Veera and Stapleton. These are protagonists in these chapters. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share it. Thank you very much.